welcome to Still Works in Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. What do we got going on? Well, we're still got pumpkin Plooza going on. Oh, what a mess up. It's been a week. This has been a lot of fun, and I can't wait to taste everything. So what are we going to make today? Well, today we are making a pumpkin pudding sipping cream. I've made this in banana and stuff like that. It is fantastic. So I already know this is going to be good, but I'm not going to taste it until Sunday. All right, you'll find out. This is so easy to make. What do you need to make it? Well, you need 3 cups of 20 ABV shine, okay? You need a box of this Jello pumpkin spice pudding mix, and of course you need a little bit of the French vanilla creamer. All right, I'm gonna tell you, this is so easy to make, and you can make this up the day before if you were having a gathering at your house, no problem. All right, like I said, I got 20 proof shine here. Not 20 proof, I'm sorry, 20 ABV, which would be 40 proof. All right. So, you just get yourself a package of this pudding mix. And this is the pumpkin spice, pumpkin Plooza. All right. Okay, smells like pumpkin spice. Oh, yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to dump this whole pack in. All right. Every last little bit. Okay, so what we'll do now is put the lid on it and shake the hell out of it. All right. Ooh, that looks good though, don't it? Huh? And once it gets a little bit chilled, because I like to put it in the refrigerator, once you get a little bit chilled, it will thicken up just a little bit, but it's got a little consistency to it now. But you want to shake it up, and it will settle out some after it sits. So before you serve it, give it a good shake. All right. I want to taste it so bad. All right, and all we're going to do is top the jar off with a little vanilla creamer. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Okay. I hope you've been enjoying Pumpkin Plooza week. It's been a lot of fun for me. All right, so what I'll do with this, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, let it get good and cold. And then, I mean, it'll stay good in the fridge for a very long time. I mean, it's got a lot of alcohol in there, so I wouldn't be afraid to leave it in there, but it just won't last long. You could even put this in a glass with a little whipped cream on top and have a nice cocktail. Very nice cocktail. I think I'll enjoy it just on ice most of the time. All right. So that's it for this. This is my pumpkin pudding sipping cream. All right. So I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Still Works in Brewing. Cheers, everybody.